To a TVJ News follow-up now, residents of Port Maria have been left stunned following a revelation that a boy has been charged for the brutal attack on a homeless man in the parish capital on April 1. The 16-year-old was charged with wounding with intent after a question and answer session with detectives and his lawyer. The boy admitted to his involvement in the crime. He told the police he used a board to inflict injuries on the senior citizen as he slept. The police are continuing their search for another suspect involved in the incident. Around 1 a.m. on April 1, the 70-year-old homeless elderly man was sleeping inside a section of the Port Maria market when he was attacked by two persons. He was later discovered bleeding from the head. He was taken to a hospital in St. Mary before being rushed to Kingston for emergency treatment.